Want to make your home smart? I think a smart plug like one of these is the easiest way to give it a try. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's check out the TP-Link Smart Plug. See how easy it is to set up, and go over a couple of ways I've been using it over the years. I think a smart plug like this one is the easiest way to give smart home a try. It's plug in and play. Makes a dumb device smart instantaneously. No need to bust out tools to swap in a smart switch or a smart socket. But if you want to give those a try too, I'll link a couple of my videos here and below in the description. I've also used many smart plugs like this one from Amazon, and they all look and work about the same way. The TP-Link Smart Plug is made of all plastic except the metal plugs in the back, of course. It's in a compact rectangular shape, about 2.6 inches wide by 1.5 inches tall and 1.6 inches deep. This is a good slim shape design, allowing two of them to be used on a typical socket here in the US. The plug is simple to use. In the front, there is a socket to plug in the device you want to turn smart. There is a little TP-Link logo on the top, and on the right, there is a ring of indicator lights, more on that later when we connect the plug to the app, and a button to manually turn on and off the plug-in device. This particular plug is the HS105, rated up to 15 amps maximum. It's important to make sure the plug you get can support the maximum current of the device you plan to plug into it. Kasa Smart is the app for controlling the plug. It's available on both Apple and Android phones. It's also the same app TP-Link uses to control smart switches, smart lights, among others. Another reason I think the smart plug is the good one to try first. The smart plug just needs to be set up once, and the app does a good job guiding through the process. To connect it to the app for the first time, download the Kasa Smart app, create an account and log in. Make sure the phone is connected to the home 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Tap the plus sign on the upper right corner of the app and choose to add a device. Pick smart plugs, choose the right model. I have the HS105 here. App says to plug in your smart plug. Do that. Hit next. It says, look at your smart plug. Is the Wi-Fi light blinking orange and blue? Yes, so hit next. Now get out of the Kasa app into the phone's Wi-Fi setting to join the smart plug's Wi-Fi network. This one here, usually something starting with TP-Link Smart Plug. Then go back to the Kasa app. The app will try to connect to the smart plug. Pick your home Wi-Fi network and put in the password. It says this may take a few minutes. From my experience, it usually takes just about 30 seconds. And that's it. Next, we can name this smart plug. Let's call it the Christmas tree light. And we get to pick an icon from the list, or I can even take a picture or choose an existing photo as an icon. Very cool. Now that it's set up in the app, I can turn my Christmas tree light on and off from the app here, or click on the plug. There's an even bigger on and off button here. On the bottom, I can now set a schedule for my Christmas tree light to be on at sunset every day of the week, and off at 11 p.m. every night, for example. There's also a timer to turn the light on or off after a certain time, and an away mode for the light to be turned on and off randomly while I'm away from the house. On the lower right, there's an icon for runtime information. On the upper right, there's a device settings to change the device name and see device information. Also in the Kasa Smart app, multiple smart plugs or other smart devices can be grouped together into scenes so they can be turned on and off at the same time. They can also be made even smarter with smart actions. For example, when motion sensor senses motion, turn on a particular light, plug into a smart plug. Once the plug is set up in the Kasa app, it could also be linked to Alexa or Google Assistant to be controlled by voice. Hey Alexa, turn off Christmas tree light. At about $13 to $15 US, this TP-Link smart plug is an affordable and easy way to get started on a smart home. I'll also put links to a few others I've tried in the description below for you to check out. I've been using these smart plugs with devices around the house like lights and fans for many years. Once a smart plug is set up, I can instantly turn these dumb devices into smart ones I can control with schedules, timers, and routines. I can switch them on and off with my voice at home or on my phone as long as I have an internet connection when I'm away at work or on vacation, all without any tools. Oh, and my kids just love turning the lights on and off with just their voices. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Are you trying to set up your smart home? I'd love to know what smart devices you've used so far in the comments below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. Merry Christmas, everyone. May Christ bring you hope and peace this Christmas. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.